coming to do skincare? With my hair.
My skin is starting to break out. Look.
Yeah, I see.
I need help.
What can I give you? Oh, a very calming cream. We'll start there.
Bro.
Oh my god. You look so pretty with this.
So how was your morning?
Very good. I had to deal with my hair and I kind of gave up along the way.
Well, your hair looks fine to me.
Really?
I mean, it's a bit uneven.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Also, it feels like it's a lot, right?
It will shrink.
What are we gonna eat today?
I don't know.
Oh, you have thing for me, right?
I have piece of meat in there.
Piece of meat. Okay.
You can buy more piece of meat though.
No, it's okay. I can eat a piece of meat.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm a carnivore.
How do you call the day after Christmas?
I don't know. Isn't it just day after Christmas? I don't know if it has an official name.
I don't know.
Anyway.
Are you going to get your coffee?
Yeah.
I already drank my tea.
Should I go alone to get my coffee?
Yeah, I'm not leaving the house. I'm not in the mood of going outside.
Okay, I'm gonna go get my coffee.
Alright, baby.
See you, baby.
Love you.
Love you.